Sir, may I say something?
Yes, Anna. What happened? Tell me.
Sir, when I speak English, people look at me. They smile. They whisper. I feel shy. I think my English is wrong.
I understand. You feel nervous. But mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Learning is slow. Learning takes time. You grow every day.
But, sir, my friends speak fast. I cannot understand them. I feel scared. My words stop.
Many students feel this. You need practice. Slow practice. Small practice.
Yes, sir.
Today, we practice simple present tense. We use simple present tense for daily habits, for daily actions, for things you do every day.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Good. Listen, I say, I wake up at 7:30. Now you say, I wake up at 7:30.
I wake up at 7:30.
Very good. Say it again.
I wake up at 7:30.
Good. After you wake up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Good. Say both sentences.
I wake up at 7:30. I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Next action?
I wash my face. I take a bath.
Very good. Join the sentences.
I wash my face and take a bath.
Wonderful. You speak well.
Thank you, sir.
After your bath, what do you do?
I eat breakfast.
Good. What do you eat?
I eat eggs. I eat bread. I drink milk sometimes.
Good. All sentences are correct.
Thank you, sir.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to school.
Say, I go to school at 8 o'clock.
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Very nice. What do you do at school?
I study. I read. I write. I talk to my friends.
Excellent. Now listen to a small paragraph. I wake up at 7:30. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study. I talk to my friends.
I repeat. I wake up at 7:30. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study. I talk to my friends.
Perfect. Now tell me about your afternoon.
I go home. I eat lunch. I rest. I help my brother. I study.
Add more details.
I eat rice. I eat vegetables. I drink water. I sit on my bed. I read my book.
Excellent. Now tell me your evening routine.
I go outside. I play badminton. I talk to my friends. I laugh. I come home. I wash my face. I drink tea. I study again.
Very good. And your night routine.
I eat dinner. I talk to my family. I watch videos. I go to bed. I sleep.
Very good. Now tell me things you like.
I like badminton. I like milk. I like English class. I like music. I like cartoons.
Now tell me things you don't like.
I don't like noise. I don't like cold water. I don't like heavy traffic. I don't like homework sometimes. I don't like fighting.
Good. Now talk about your mother.
My mother wakes up early. She cooks food. She cleans the house. She talks to us. She helps me.
And your father.
My father wakes up early. He reads the newspaper. He goes to work. He comes home in the evening. He watches TV.
And your brother.
My brother wakes up late. He plays with toys. He eats slowly. He makes noise. He laughs a lot.
Good. Now talk about your friend.
My friend's name is Neil. He lives near me. He goes to my school. He plays cricket. He studies well.
Good. Now negative sentences with I don't.
I don't shout. I don't run in class. I don't skip homework. I don't sleep late. I don't watch too much TV.
Good. Now negative sentences with he doesn't or she doesn't.
He doesn't wake up early. She doesn't drink tea. My brother doesn't study quietly. My father doesn't play cricket. My friend doesn't eat fast food.
Excellent. Now yes/no questions.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch TV every day?
No, I don't.
Good. Now questions with does.
Does your father cook?
No, he doesn't.
Does your mother work outside?
No, she doesn't.
Does your friend study?
Yes, he does.
Good. Now WH questions. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat some toast and fruits.
When do you study?
I study in the evening.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
Who helps you?
My mother helps me.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English for a good life.
Very good. Now describe your school.
My school has many rooms. It has a playground. My teachers teach well. My friends study with me. I like my school.
Now describe your home.
My home has 2 rooms. It has a kitchen. My mother cooks in the kitchen. My brother plays in the house. We eat together.
Very good. Now tell your full routine again. Short sentences only.
I wake up at 7:30. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study. I talk to my friends. I go home. I eat lunch. I rest. I help my brother. I study. I play cricket. I drink tea. I study more. I eat dinner. I watch videos. I go to sleep.
Very good. Your English is clear. Your sentences are correct. You speak with confidence.
Thank you, sir. The short sentences help me.
Yes, short sentences are good for beginners. You speak well. You improve every day.
Yes, sir. I practice daily. I speak English every day.
Very good. I am so proud of you.
Thank you, sir.